Hi everyone, so today I'll be filming a get ready with me. So this is actually the finished look, and it's actually a pretty simple neutral look with a little bit of added pop. So this is a pretty simple look to achieve, so if you're interested in watching this short little makeup tutorial, then please stay tuned. So I already have my foundation on, so I'm using the ILIA Skin Serum foundation. And then now I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand. Just putting that in the hollows of my cheek, down my jawline, as well as a little bit here just to put where the sun would naturally hit. Doing the same on the other side. Then blending that out with a buffer brush. I've actually started using brushes a little bit more because I find that it actually does blend things out a little bit more seamlessly. And sometimes it can be quicker than your
see
hands.
her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah.
Make sure to concentrate blending in little dabbing motions. So you don't want to drag down your contour too much, or else it can start to look muddy. And then for blush, I'm using the Glossier Cloud Paint in Dusk. And this I'm just going in with my fingers.
There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
So this will give you a really nice looking natural flush. And to set everything, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish.
Brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that who really care what Simon said. All the bad things, girl, I had to look past.
And then for brows, I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Just want to quickly fill in the front part of my eyebrows. So I just brushed out my brows, and then now going in with the Viseart palette and just putting down a base shade. So right here, this light matte shade.
You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
So I'm just going in with a darker matte shade here to add some definition.
To see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
And then I'm actually going to be using the McGRATH palette. So this is the Mothership palette. So it has a mix of really beautiful colors, and you can get a pretty dramatic look with this, or you can go a little bit more low-key. I'm going to be using this matte brown shade to add some more depth. And running that all along my upper lash line. And then I'm going to be going in with a satin brown shade. So it's this color right here. So you'll see it's a little bit satiny. And then this I'm just taking on my fingers and directly applying.
To your face, and I know that I can't. No good it would do. It would scar you.
Okay. And then for just a little pop of color, I'm actually going in with this green shade here. So it's like a greenish gold duochrome. It's beautiful. This is what it looks like on fingers. So it's like kind of a goldish green. I'm just dabbing that on the inner third.
I can go low, low.
Blending this out a little bit with the Viseart matte color we used before, just to make sure it's really diffused. And then adding a little bit of a brow bone highlight, so taking this matte white, adding that. Then curling my lashes. And then I'm going in with mascara. eyes with the NARS pencil.
I won't think it over.
So I'm actually going to go in with a little bit of highlighter. So I'm using the Glossier Haloscope in Quartz and just putting that a little bit on the high points of my cheeks.
Sure you could learn to despise me.
So now for lips, I'm lining my lips with Makeup Forever Aqua Lip Pencil in 3C.
To make you cry. How low can I go? I think I know.
And then I'm going to be using the Fenty lip gloss in Fussy. So it's a really pretty kind of neutral pinky color. Okay guys, this is the finished look. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. You know, I used a couple of eyeshadows, added a little bit of sparkle for some glam. Otherwise, it was a pretty easy look to achieve. So hope you liked getting ready with me, and I hope to see you next time.